So I got my helper to put this battery in. He got the battery in, but there's only one problem. He didn't put this back on. Guys, I do not want you to belittle this cover's importance. Okay, this has a role. This plays a role on this car. So what I'm gonna do is, he's not here. He left and went home. I'm gonna, talk to him about this. So I got to take this back off just to put this cover back on. Now let me explain to you what exactly this cover do. I'm gonna let my buddy Adam explain to you.
How important is the battery thermo cover? Okay, so battery thermo covers help block the heat from the engine. The heat is what kills your battery life. So by removing that, you're shortening the life of your battery. So it is recommended if you're looking to save a couple $100 every couple years. Battery heat shields can improve the performance and increase the life of your car battery. Excessive underhood temperatures are not uncommon in today's automobile landscape, as high-performance engines with power adders are generating more heat than ever. Is it safe to drive without a battery cover? Very dangerous, because the battery isn't bolted down. Any speed bump, fast stop, or wide turn, and the battery is going to move, sway, or touch against something it shouldn't and spark. That spark could potentially cause a fire. The battery could also hit the hood when you hit a bump and spark.